Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll look at instance underscore path. And for that, let's go ahead and navigate to the folder for the project. Let's say this is the one and create the app.py file like so. Now, in this particular project folder L13, we are additional going to create another folder which is called instance. And then back in the app.py file, let's begin writing the code. So what we are trying to accomplish in this lesson is if there are files that go uh, in folders other than the static folder which holds the css or javascript or image files, or the templates folder which holds the html files. Let's say if the code generates a txt file, where do we put it? And that's where the instance comes in. So we could put those files in a separate folder called instance. And for that, here is how we could implement that. Now let's go ahead and import Flask. From Flask, import Flask, and below that we are going to import OS, because we are going to use the os.path.join. Initialize the Flask app by typing app is equal to Flask, and then within parenthesis name, and here we pass in another input argument which is called instance underscore relative underscore config is equal to true, and this allows Python to automatically find that instance folder within that project folder. Then we type app.route, and let's say that is the base path, base URL, and below that is our function which is called home, and underneath it we'll first specify the file path. So file underscore path is equal to os.path.join, and here we specify app dot instance underscore path, and that is going to be the path to the exact folder. And then here we, let's say we have a file that is to be named hello.txt. Then we can write to this file when, by using the with context manager, we say with open file underscore path w for write as f dot write. This file is saved in the instance folder. Then return file saved at path file underscore path if underscore name is equal to main app.run debug is equal to true. All right, now if you see the instance folder is empty, I'm going to clear this and then say cd l13 python app.py, and when we run this, here you see that we get the file saved at path, we get the entire path to hello.txt, and now if we look into the instance folder, we have that file created, which is this file is saved in the instance folder, which is the text we asked to write in that file hello.txt. So this is how the instance path can be used to put uh, maybe files in a separate instance folder in that project. That was all for this lesson. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.